Okay, so this is how my front door is looking because I still have my summer decor up, but now it is fall. So it's time to do a fall makeover. But first step is to clean up. So I'm gonna remove everything and sweep and dust and go from there. Alrighty, let's start cleaning up. Getting all the dust. Moving this out of the way. Yep, now I'm just gonna sweep it. Alright, now to put the stuff back. Put this over here. Yeah, put that back. Okay, now taking this off. And also taking this one off. Okay, so this is my fall wreath. I found it at Joann's fabric. It was on sale for $29.99. And then I'm gonna use this one here, the top one, as for my little home sign. This is from Amazon. It came with the home sign. The yellow one was also part of it. So the home sign had 3 wreaths. So I love it. I'm gonna use this one. Yep, hanging it. It's getting dark now. And now for the little one. Okay. There we go. Here it is so far. There it is. Ah, that's so cute. Okay, I just picked these up at Walmart for $4.89, I think, or $4.88 each for my front door. They are beautiful and cheap. Okay, I'm gonna put them in these for height. These are DIY planners I made last year. I'll make a video on how I did these from Dollar Tree bins. So I'm gonna put the mums in here so they can sit higher up so they don't block the lanterns, or so the lanterns don't block them, something like that. See what I mean? Without the planter and with the planter, it just looks better to me anyway.